In a world crowded with tools and noise, clarity wins. NetPi Technologies builds practical, high-performance digital systems that turn complexity into dependable outcomes, delivered with discipline and long-term reliability. We replace guesswork with data and ambition with accountable execution. 2 years ago, a dairy cooperative partner faced daily reconciliations that took hours, leakages that were hard to trace, and decisions driven by instinct over data. The mandate was simple: reduce ambiguity, raise trust, and make every operational decision defensible. We built the foundation: clean data models, clear workflows, and execution that could be measured and improved every week. This foundation gave birth to MilkPay, our next-generation platform. MilkPay is our robust, domain-focused dairy intelligence platform, an end-to-end AI ecosystem for the entire supply chain. We move beyond tracking payments. MilkPay digitizes fat, SNF, and quantity, identifying adulterants and ensuring fair pricing for every drop. Our embedded AI detects the precise point of quality and fat loss in transit. This is critical in a market like India, the world's largest milk producer, with projected growth of over 5.6%. Now MilkPay is leveling up. We're integrating dynamic demand forecasting, yield forecasting, and AI-driven animal health monitoring. This doesn't just manage the chain, it makes the farmer and their livestock more profitable and efficient. MilkPay is a SaaS application available across all regional languages, designed for seamless pan-India rollout. But our architecture is built to scale beyond, targeting other high-volume milk-producing countries across Asia and globally. We offer true end-to-end support and a robust, scalable app made in India for the world. RKI is our architecture intelligence engine that generates system designs, diagrams, and model comparisons with a lens on performance, latency, and cost. Engineering leaders get structured clarity. Trade-offs are explicit, assumptions are documented, and choices are repeatable, turning early-stage ambiguity into engineering-ready plans in hours, not weeks. We execute through a result-as-a-service model. You define the business outcome, we design the roadmap, set measurable checkpoints, and report deltas transparently. This alignment replaces task-based delivery with accountable progress, making value creation observable and compounding. Behind it all is rigorous SDLC discipline: consultation to understand, architecture to de-risk, development to standards, testing to confidence, and deployment to stability. Whether cloud engineering, AI workflows, RAG systems, or automation, the result is scalability, reliability, and maintainability by design. Our portfolio spans mental health AI, real estate analytics, backend systems, and cloud-native platforms, built on Python, FastAPI, Kubernetes, GCP, and multi-modal LLM frameworks. It's a stack chosen for performance, portability, and cost control, not trend value. Investors back clarity that compounds, systems that expose risk early, decisions anchored in data, and delivery that stands up to time. NetPi Technologies is built in India, trusted for clean execution, transparency, and delivery discipline, where every outcome is intentional, measured, and repeatable. Scan the QR to explore a MilkPay demo or meet the team at our stall.
We will help you to create wonderful videos for your brand. Call us or WhatsApp us on +91 98366 27108 or visit us at www.bluemetricmarketing.com, your one-stop solution for any kind of video creation.